Wait, I think I'm running low on money. I might have to sell my gun. Let me swipe my card. Bing! Oh, shoot. I'm low on money. I have like 10 nuts left. Gotta go rob a bank.
Hey, what'd you say? Yeah, that's what I thought. Get up there. Alright. Why'd you do... Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Why'd you do what you did today?
Because, man, times are hard, man. Whoa. Because, man, times are hard, you know?
Yeah. But you didn't have to go rob a bank. Could've just asked money.
Did you just hit me?
Maybe. Maybe not.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you.